Welcome to Nexen Tire's Europe plant, a state-of-the-art smart factory. Nexen Tire's Europe plant is located in the Czech Republic, Europe's logistics hub, and with 30-odd automakers situated nearby, it has location conditions optimal for supplying tires for new vehicles and in other respects. Located in Záček, the Czech Republic, Nexen Tire's Europe plant is a large production base that has a total area of 650,000 square meters. The plant is expected to reach production capacity of 11 million units a year by 2022 and makes it one of Nexen's strategically important business hubs. Why is the world paying attention to Nexen Tire's Europe plant? The answer is because the plant has significantly increased productivity, not only by automating all of its processes, but also by monitoring all situations arising within the plant in real time and utilizing big data. In particular, the plant has adopted a prediction system that enables detecting and responding to hindrance factors in advance from the early stages of production, which has allowed the plant to be called a state-of-the-art smart factory. Nexen Tire's products, created with the cutting-edge technology, go through the production processes of mixing, extrusion, calendaring, cutting, bead, building, curing, and inspection to be supplied all over the world. The mixing process is where raw materials necessary for tire production are combined into a sufficient compound. And in the extrusion process, the appropriate rubber suitable for each part is extruded into certain widths and thicknesses to be made into the items for the external components of a tire. This process you are seeing now is the calendaring process. It includes coating both sides of the cord layers with rubber in a uniform way to produce the items for the internal components of a tire, such as body ply, a steel belt, etc. Just like how humans are different in size, tires differ by car model, performance, and use environment. So in the cutting process, various materials produced in the extrusion and calendaring process are trimmed to suit specifications of the tires. After a bead is produced by coating the steel wire with multiple layers of rubber and bead fillers attached on it, we go on to the building process, which is the core part of the tire production process. All the various semi-manufactured items produced in the earlier steps are combined to be made into a green tire in the building process. This is the core part of the tire production process that determines the product quality. In our plant, the unmanned mobile vehicle LGV transports all the semi-manufactured items to the building process and assembles the items in an automated system. That's why the green tires are produced to maintain excellent quality. The curing process is the final process of making a tire. When the green tire is inserted into the modeling equipment, heat and pressure are applied to the inside and outside of the green tire. Through this process, each tire is given a unique tread design as well as designating the elasticity of rubber. Only the tires that pass the three-step inspection process of visual inspection, uniformity test, and X-ray test are transported into the warehouse where the gantry robot distributes and loads these tires by category. Then the tires are transported to the logistics storage by the RGV for shipment. Nexen Tire's state-of-the-art smart factory in Europe has significantly raised productivity and product quality, not only by adopting a paperless system and a recipe auto-setting system, but also by collecting, analyzing, and applying data in real time. Nexen Tire's Europe plant is not just for tire production. It is also a space for Nexen Tire's employees, where they join forces to build a better tomorrow by putting value in movement. Through our state-of-the-art smart factory in Europe, Nexen Tire will continue to grow in the world market.